Have you ever wondered, what truly makes an SUV reliable? Is it the engine, the durability, the build quality, or the stories of real owners who have driven the same SUV for more than a decade, without a single major repair? Today on Autoverse, we're uncovering the most reliable SUV in the world, the machine that refuses to break down, outlasts competitors, and has built a legendary reputation across continents. Stay with me, because the SUV we crown today might not be the one you expect. Reliability has become one of the biggest deciding factors for SUV buyers around the world. With rising fuel prices, advanced technologies, and increasing maintenance costs, drivers no longer look only for power or luxury. They want a vehicle that lasts. But the real question is, which SUV stands above the rest? Which SUV can go through deserts, mountains, snow, city traffic, and rough rural roads, without giving up? To answer that, we will explore everything. Long-term durability, real-world owner reports, maintenance cost, engineering quality, off-road capability, longevity, and global reputation. And after analyzing all these factors, one SUV rises to the top, earning the global crown as the most reliable SUV ever built. But before we reveal it, let's understand what reliability truly means in the automotive world. What makes an SUV reliable? Reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's a combination of smart engineering, quality materials, decades of testing, and consistency. Here are the 6 pillars of a truly reliable SUV. Engine longevity. A reliable SUV has an engine that handles heat and cold, runs smoothly even after 200,000 plus miles, uses simple, proven technology, requires fewer major repairs. Transmission strength. A good SUV has a transmission that can take abuse, whether it's towing, climbing hills, or rough off-road driving. Build quality. The materials used in the body, chassis, suspension, and interior must withstand daily wear and extreme conditions. Low cost of ownership. Reliable SUVs don't just avoid breakdowns, they save money through affordable parts, low maintenance frequency, simple repair design, real-world owner satisfaction. The strongest proof of reliability comes from actual users who drive their SUV for years and still trust it with their families. Global reputation. The SUV must be respected in multiple countries, not just one market. With these factors in mind, let's start narrowing down the contenders. Top contenders for the most reliable SUV. There are several SUVs that have built massive reputations worldwide. Some of the strongest candidates include Toyota Land Cruiser, a legend, known for surviving deserts, mountains, wars, and decades of abuse. Used by the UN, rescue teams, explorers, and rural communities across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Lexus LX Series, a luxury version of the Land Cruiser, offering advanced reliability with premium comfort. Toyota 4Runner, known for long lifespans, simple engineering, and strong resale value. Honda CR-V, famous for being a family-friendly, low-maintenance SUV. Subaru Outback Forester, renowned for rugged capability and long-term durability. Mercedes-Benz G-Class, built like a tank, with an extremely strong chassis and off-road capability. Each of these SUVs has its strengths, but one of them stands above all others. The crowned winner, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Yes, after decades of global testing, real-world ownership, and engineering consistency, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands as the most reliable SUV in the world. Let's explore why. Why the Toyota Land Cruiser is the most reliable SUV. Engineered for harsh environments, Toyota designed the Land Cruiser to perform in the world's most extreme locations. The Arabian Desert, African savannas, Australian outback, Rocky Mountains of Central Asia, snow-filled terrains. Most SUVs are built for comfort. The Land Cruiser is built for survival. Legendary engines. Land Cruiser engines, especially the 4.5L V8 diesel and 5.7L V8 petrol, are world famous for cooling efficiency, low-stress operation, thick metal construction, long-lasting components. Some Land Cruisers have crossed 500,000 miles with their original engine. Strong ladder frame. Unlike many modern SUVs with monocoque bodies, the Land Cruiser uses a heavy-duty body-on-frame chassis. This allows extreme durability, better towing, strong off-road performance, resistance to bending and twisting, simple yet robust mechanical systems. Toyota avoids unnecessary complexity. For decades, the Land Cruiser used Mechanical 4x4 systems. Proven transmissions. Simple suspensions. This means fewer parts break down, and if they do, repairs are easy. Used by organizations with zero room for failure. When reliability is life-saving, organizations choose the Land Cruiser. Police and military forces. United Nations. Doctors Without Borders. Mining companies. Humanitarian rescue teams. These groups operate in remote, dangerous places where a breakdown can be fatal. Real-world owner testimonials. Go anywhere in the world, and you'll find stories like, "My Land Cruiser survived 20 years without major issues. We drove 2,000 kilometers through desert with no problems. Even after 300,000 kilometers, it feels strong. Owners trust it because it has proven itself again and again." Exceptional resale value. The Land Cruiser is one of the few SUVs that sells for almost the same price even after years of use. This only happens when a vehicle is extremely dependable. Low cost of maintenance for what it offers. Despite being a large, powerful SUV, its maintenance costs are reasonable because parts last long, engine is stress-free, mechanics worldwide know how to fix it. Detailed breakdown of the Land Cruiser's reliability. Engine and powertrain. Land Cruiser engines are famous for thick, durable engine blocks, smooth power delivery, low chances of overheating, simplified design. The 4.5L twin-turbo diesel and 5.7L V8 petrol are capable of extremely high mileage with minimal wear. Transmission. Toyota's automatic transmissions are known for long lifespan, strong cooling, and smooth shifting under heavy load. Off-road capability. Reliability isn't just about not breaking down, it's about getting you home when conditions are terrible. The Land Cruiser excels with locking differentials, high ground clearance, crawl control, advanced four-wheel drive, rugged suspension tuning. Whether it's deep mud, snow, rocks, sand dunes, or steep slopes, this SUV keeps moving. Build quality. The Land Cruiser's interior and exterior parts are designed to survive heat, dust, vibration, and rough terrain. Inside you get thick dashboard materials, cushioned seats, durable buttons, strong climate control. Nothing feels cheap or fragile. Longevity. This is where the Land Cruiser leaves almost all competitors behind. Most modern SUVs face issues after 100,000–150,000 miles. The Land Cruiser. It's just getting started. Many units run past 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, even 500,000 miles. With original engine and transmission. Global support. In remote areas, where most SUVs would be impossible to repair, Toyota has service networks and parts availability. This is a huge reason the Land Cruiser is trusted by explorers and rural communities. Comparison with other reliable SUVs. Let's see how it compares with other strong competitors. Toyota 4Runner versus Land Cruiser. Both reliable, but 4Runner is smaller, engine is less powerful, built more for daily use. Land Cruiser has stronger global reputation. Honda CR-V versus Land Cruiser. CR-V is efficient and great for families, but not built for extreme conditions. Lighter construction, smaller size. Mercedes G-Class vs Land Cruiser. G-Class is extremely capable too, but very expensive to maintain. Complex electronics. Luxury focused, not simplicity focused. Lexus LX versus Land Cruiser. Lexus LX shares engines and chassis with the Land Cruiser. But the Land Cruiser remains the preferred choice globally due to simpler interiors and lower costs. Real-life stories that prove its reliability. Africa. Land Cruisers used by humanitarian groups run day and night across deserts and dirt paths without breakdowns. Middle East. Drivers rely on it for long journeys in 50 degrees Celsius heat, fully loaded with passengers. Australia. Miners use Land Cruisers for years under harsh conditions, dust, rocks, and extreme temperatures. United Nations missions. Used in conflict zones, mountains, floods, and remote villages. Everywhere you go, this SUV has proven itself. The evolution of the Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser has been in production for more than 70 years. Each generation has improved reliability while maintaining ruggedness. Key milestones include 40 Series, the original icon. 60 Series, more comfort with durability. 80 Series, considered by many the toughest ever. 100 Series, introduced luxury and stronger engines. 200 Series, balanced comfort and extreme reliability. 300 Series, new twin-turbo V6 but still built tough. Why the Land Cruiser's reliability matters today. Modern SUVs are becoming more complex. Touchscreens, sensors, electronics, everything is getting advanced, but not always better. The Land Cruiser stays reliable because it avoids unnecessary technology. It focuses on proven mechanical systems. Toyota tests it in extreme environments. This makes it the preferred choice for adventurers, families, farmers, off-road lovers, overlanders, governments, rescue crews. After decades of global testing, millions of satisfied owners, and unmatched durability, the Toyota Land Cruiser remains the most reliable SUV in the world. It is not the cheapest, not the flashiest, and not the fastest. But when your life depends on your vehicle, nothing beats a Land Cruiser. Thank you for watching Autoverse, where we bring you the world's most powerful automotive stories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most reliable SUV on the planet, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights.